Good morning from the McAuley Center. My name is Angie, and today we'll be learning about past tense ending sounds. Okay, so as you may know, to make a word past tense, you add ed. Okay, so visit becomes visited. Talk becomes talked, and learn becomes learned. So maybe you noticed all three of these words, the last sound is different, and that's what we'll be talking about today. So we said for visit, this is visited, so the last sound is id, visited. And this happens when the verb or the word ends in d or t, the d or t sound. So visit becomes visited, and need becomes needed. Okay? The second sound we have is, it sounds like a T, talked. So the t sound at the end. This happens, so there are a lot of these. So it will look like a lot, but if you write them down, and you don't have to remember them all right now, but if you write them down, it will help, okay? So we pronounce the ed like t when the word ends in a p, like help becomes helped. A k, like look, is looked. CH, or the ch sound, like watched. And F, like laughed. And last is X, so I fixed. Okay, so you can say, I fixed the TV, and then I watched my favorite shows. Okay? And the last one is very easy because everything else that's not these or these ends in the d sound. I learned. Okay? So you can say learned, called, lived, stayed. You can say cry, and when a word ends in y, you change it to I-E-D. So cry becomes cried. So you can say, my mother cried when I married my boyfriend. Okay? So to try this at home, now that you can see when a word ends in id, t, or d, this is your homework. So I have three words here: stop, close, and want. So I want you to first choose which of the three pronunciations, id, t, or d, you will use for these words. So is this stop it, stopped, or stopped? Okay? And then I want you to create sentences using these words in the past tense. And you can email your your completed homework to education@cmc-cr.org, or you can text 319-775-0291. And this is for the homework or if you have any other questions. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.